good to see you again. These nails have taken quite a beating. I don't think this is like a fair, like 1 week check-in on how well these nails have lasted, because I have serious peeling going on from hitting my nails at work. I've started taking hair and nail vitamins, so hopefully that'll clear this up. But as you see, the black did really well. The green on my left hand, which I use less, did well. This thumb is peeling, this is peeling, this is peeling, this is peeling. This is natural wear on this one. So I think if your nails are nice, this would last pretty well. The Nailtopia here and Expressi did pretty well if you look at the ones that are not peeling right here on my left hand. So I'm going to clean this up, and then I'm going to do my nails today because I'm going to go see my sister, and I wanted to do the turn on the northern lights this week, and that is what we'll be doing. So just be prepared for something beautiful. All right, we have finished doing the nails. This is 1 layer of primer by OPI, 2 layers of Turn On the Northern Lights by OPI. So you see it's gorgeous, all that color in there. And then our last layer is the number 3 Infinite Shine by OPI as well. And this is the finished look. I still have to clean up the edges a little bit, but it's gorgeous. Look at that. Okay, well, I will see you next week. Bye.